In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable hardware acceleration on Google Chrome. If Chrome feels a bit sluggish when playing videos, scrolling through heavy pages, or running web apps, turning on hardware acceleration can help. This setting lets Chrome use your computer's graphics card, or GPU, to handle visual tasks more efficiently, which often leads to smoother performance and lower CPU usage. Here's how to do it on desktop, whether you're on Windows or Mac. First, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. On the left side of the Settings page, click System. There you'll see an option labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Turn that switch on. As soon as you do, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch. Click Relaunch so the change can take effect. Don't worry about your open tabs. Chrome will reopen them after it restarts right where you left off. If you want to jump straight to the right place in one move, there's a quick shortcut. In the address bar at the top, type Chrome/settings/system and press Enter. That takes you directly to the system page. Toggle Use hardware acceleration when available. To on, then click Relaunch when prompted. The restart is important. Hardware acceleration won't fully activate until Chrome has relaunched. After relaunching, you can check that it's working. In the address bar, type Chrome/GPU and press Enter. This opens Chrome's internal graphics report. Look for the section called Graphics Feature Status and scan for the items marked Hardware Accelerated. Seeing that confirms Chrome is handing those tasks to your GPU. A few important notes before you go. Hardware acceleration is designed to make Chrome faster and smoother by offloading graphics work to your GPU. On many systems, that's a win for performance and battery life. However, if you notice new issues like lagging, freezing, or unexpected crashes, your graphics drivers or specific extensions might not play nicely with it. In that case, go back to the same system setting and turn hardware acceleration off, then relaunch again. You can switch this on or off anytime, and always remember to restart Chrome after changing the setting so your choice actually applies. That's all there is to it. You've enabled hardware acceleration in Google Chrome, you know the quick shortcut to the setting, and you know how to verify it's active. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother browsing experience.